African dresses are a stunning fusion of tradition, culture, and modern fashion. From vibrant prints to bold designs, these dresses reflect the rich heritage and unique style of Africa. At the heart of every African dress is its fabric, bold, colorful, and expressive. Fabrics like Ankara, Kente, and batik are known for their distinct patterns and cultural significance. These fabrics aren't just beautiful, they tell a story. Ankara, for example, is known for its vibrant wax prints, while Kente cloth carries deep meanings tied to royalty, strength, and history. African dresses come in many styles, allowing women to express their personal flair. Some of the most popular styles include the Boubou, the Kaftan, and the Dashiki dress. Elegant and free-flowing, the Boubou is perfect for formal occasions. The Kaftan is versatile, blending comfort with sophistication, while the Dashiki dress, with its bold prints and loose fit, is a casual staple. Today, African dresses are evolving. Designers are blending traditional patterns with modern cuts to create stylish contemporary looks that are perfect for any occasion. From peplum tops to fitted gowns, modern African fashion allows women to embrace their heritage while staying on trend. No African dress is complete without the right accessories. Bold jewelry, head wraps, and statement bags are all key elements to enhance your look. Head wraps like the Khael are not only stylish, but carry cultural importance, often symbolizing status and respect. Whether it's a wedding, a festival, or just a casual day out, African dresses fit every occasion. Their versatility means you can go from relaxed to regal with the right fabric and style. Ready to add African dresses to your wardrobe? Embrace the culture and style that makes these dresses so unique. Explore the beauty of African fashion and make a statement wherever you go.